Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Tobenone USB-C docking station. Let's dive in and see what's included in the box. Inside the box, we have the Tobenone USB-C docking station itself, along with a 65-watt power supply and a user manual to guide us through the setup process. It's great to see everything we need right out of the box. Now let's connect the docking station to my Asus ZenBook and see how it performs in action. The docking station easily connects to my laptop's USB-C port, and with its sleek and compact design, it doesn't take up much space on my desk. Plus, the included 65W power supply ensures stable usage and provides up to 57 watt to charge my laptop, which is fantastic for long work sessions. Next, let's explore the docking station's ability to support multiple displays. I'll be connecting my monitor to the docking station and see how it handles dual 4K displays. With two HDMI ports, this docking station supports dual 4K displays, allowing you to expand your desktop and increase your productivity. Whether you're working on multiple projects or enjoying some entertainment, having multiple displays can make a world of difference. Now, let's test out the data transfer capabilities of the docking station by transferring some files from my portable hard disk. With 4 USB 3.0 ports and an SDTF card reader, this docking station makes it easy to connect all your external devices and transfer files quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a blogger, media professional, or just someone who needs to transfer files on the go, having these ports at your disposal is incredibly convenient. And there you have it. The Tobenone USB-C docking station is a versatile and powerful solution for all your connectivity needs. With its wide range of ports, support for multiple displays, and fast data transfer capabilities, it's the perfect accessory for your laptop or desktop setup.